नमस्कार, मैं निकिता वर्मा। आप देख रहे हैं टुडे 24 न्यूज नेशनल। तो आइए नजर डालते हैं आज की कुछ खास खबरों पर।
अंतरिक्ष पारिस्थितिकी तंत्र का निर्माण, एक नया युग अंतरिक्ष अन्वेषण के लिए युवा मस्तिष्कों को प्रेरित करना विषय पर आयोजित कार्यक्रम में इसरो के अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर एस सोमनाथ ने कहा, अंतरिक्ष कार्यक्रम में हमने जो निवेश किया है उससे समाज को लाभ हुआ है। मुझे लगता है कि कई बार लोग यह नहीं समझ पाते हैं कि इसका क्या प्रभाव पड़ता है, और हमने हाल ही में कुछ सलाहकारों के साथ एक अध्ययन शुरू किया है ताकि यह समझा जा सके कि अंतरिक्ष कार्यक्रम में हमारे द्वारा किए गए निवेश का समाज पर वास्तव में क्या प्रभाव पड़ा है। इससे प्रत्यक्ष और अप्रत्यक्ष रूप से लाखों लोगों के लिए रोजगार के अवसर भी पैदा हुए हैं। इसने मछुआरों, कृषि, फसल पूर्वानुमान, प्राकृतिक संसाधन नियोजन और आपदा से बचाव के लिए सहायता प्रणालियां भी बनाई हैं। आप सभी जानते हैं कि जब चंद्रयान चंद्रमा की सतह को छूता है तो इसका क्या प्रभाव पड़ता है।
But we have no doubt on the fact that the investment that we made in the space program has benefited the society, touched the people. I think many a times people don't realize how it impacted it. And we have commissioned recently a study with some of the consultants to understand and measure what exactly was the impact of the investment that we made in the space program in the society. Not only society, in various aspects of it, in terms of economy, in terms of job creation, in terms of overall the societal impact in different sectors, let it be the agriculture, the security, the natural resources planning, the administration and governance, digital connectivity. If you look at all these sectors, how it really contributed. This was one of the study, and I am not going to speak about those numbers because it's going to be released. The study is going to be released on 23rd August when we are actually going to have this, the presentation by them. So it's important that all of this data come out in the public. But I'll give you a little bit of glimpse of it because it's important for me to speak to you young people. Every rupee that we spent on the space program till its genesis to now, if you count, it produced an economic effect to the tune of 2.5 times of that. That's a measure that has come out recently. It has also created an economic value of the net worth of that. It's in tens of billions of dollars equivalent. And it also has created jobs and employment opportunities for lakhs of people, direct and indirect. It also created support systems for fishermen, for agriculture, the crop forecasting, natural resources planning, disaster avoidance. For example, one of the measure of the lives saved, the number that was given is almost 2,500 lives saved in the recent catastrophe, which was with space or without space. And also the number of people who have been relocated in the occasion of such cyclonic or other disaster events based on the space-based data were in lakhs. Such were the measures. I don't know whether you will be able to put those numbers in monetary terms. It will be quite difficult. Now coming back to touching the moon, it's equally important to think about space, not just for creating those societal grassroots impact, but also to create an impact in the mind of you people. Many a times, the impact that you create in the downstream are not even understood by people. It's very difficult for you to understand how important it is to map the entire water bodies of this nation. They are in lakhs. Map them, to understand them, to create the database of it, to understand how much water comes and goes out, how is the stability of it, how are the rivers, how to find out where the underground water is there. All this data possibly common public may not ever know. And its impact also may not be ever known. But you all understand the impact that it creates when Chandrayaan 3 touches on the surface of the moon. I think you understand it little much better.